Let me introduce you to what might become your new addiction. This chilled fermented rice drink is a perfectly balanced combination of sweet, creamy, and refreshing that you will want to make again and again. Start with 3 generous spoonfuls of fermented rice wine. That's about 45 grams. This sweet, slightly tangy base creates the most incredible foundation with grains that add texture and complexity. Fill your glass completely to the brim with ice. This rapid chilling is crucial for locking in all the flavors while creating that satisfying frosty coolness that makes this drink so refreshing. Pour over 120 milliliters of chilled jasmine tea. The delicate floral notes of this tea complement the fermented rice perfectly without ever overpowering its unique flavor. For the final layer, pour 60 milliliters of fresh milk slowly over the back of a spoon. This technique allows the milk to float gently on top, creating beautiful distinct layers that look as good as they taste. Watch as the white milk cascades through the amber tea and subtle rice grains. It is pure visual poetry, a beautiful display that promises an equally beautiful taste experience. Do not stare immediately. Let each sip evolve as you drink. First you get the cool creaminess of the milk, then the floral tea notes, and finally that wonderful fermented rice sweetness at the bottom. What makes this so special is the textural journey. Smooth milk, slightly chewy rice grains, and the crisp coolness of ice all working together in perfect harmony. It is refreshing enough for summer yet comforting enough for year-round enjoyment. This versatile drink adapts to any season while always delivering that perfect balance. This drink proves that sometimes the simplest combinations create the most memorable results. Once you try it, you will understand why people keep coming back to this perfect balance of flavors and textures.